The equation for the HSO is here on the board. This is known as the horizontal sightline offset. This equation is in your notes. It's also written this way in your exam booklet. R times 1 minus the cosine of 28.65 times S over R. There's only two variables here. It's not a terribly difficult problem. Missed by a lot of people though. So we have got to be extremely careful how to apply this equation. I included on page TT14 the diagram from AASHTO. That's where this equation comes from. The exam booklet does not have this diagram, and this was what I was alluding to earlier when I said there's certain things about this question you're going to have to remember. So we're going to have a rather intentional conversation regarding this variable R and how to apply it, and then we'll work an example. If you look on page TT14, you'll see R. R is defined as the radius of the curve. However, look closer. Look at the diagram on page TT14. R is not to the center line of the highway. Every question we've worked up to this point, R was the radius of the curve to the center line of the highway. All of a sudden, there's this concept of horizontal sightline offset, where the radius is no longer R to the center line of the highway, but to the center of the inside lane. I'm on page TT14. The diagram is right in the middle of the notes. You'll see the radius. The radius stops at a line that has a leader next to it that says center line of the inside lane.